All right, so in the last video, we went ahead and we displayed, the more shows or you might like shows right here. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna actually work with the comments um, right here. So in this video, we should create a model for the comments right here, and we should insert a couple comments and display them right over here. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So we want to create a model first, and let me open up my command line. I'm gonna go right there. I'm gonna go PHP make model, and we're gonna go and create a comment folder first, and then we will create a model like this. Press enter, and then we go to app HTTP, actually not HTTP. If we go to models right away, we will see the comment model right here. All right, so awesome. So I'm gonna go to the show model. I'm gonna copy this code so we will not waste any more time writing it again. And let's go ahead right here and just paste. All right, so the table for this, it will be comments. All right, it's actually a convention to keep the comment to the table name that's related to a model, a plural like this. All right, so in the fillables, we will need to insert the user ID, because we need to grab you look right here. Do we actually need the user ID? I think that we need, yeah, we need the username, and we need the user image, for example. All right, so let's go ahead. Oh, we actually need the show ID. All right, the show ID right there, because we're gonna grab the comments by the show ID. All right, so right here we're gonna insert the user underscore name, or simply the name of this guy, whatever that you want to call it. So right after this, we need also the image, or should we not put any kind of image right there? Should we insert an image for the user? If we try and insert an image, or if we try to grab an image, we will have to insert an image in the users table and in the user model, because because we do not actually have one. All right, so that's fine. We will make an image column right here. So right after those, we want the comment body. So I'm gonna go comment like this, and basically we do not need any of those right now. All right, so that's fine. So let's actually save this, and let's copy this right here, and let's go and try and create this table. All right, so there we go. Go new right here. All right, so let's paste this. So this will be ID, and this will be auto increment. It will be a primary key also. This will be 10. All right, so right after this we have the show ID, integer. All right, it can be integer, that's fine. And I'm gonna make this so it will be 10, and I have the username right here. So this will be varchar. That will be 200. All right, so if we grab the image, this will be varchar 200 right there, and I'm gonna like insert a couple more columns. So there is the comment, and there is the description. There is 200. All right, so let's go right after this. I'm gonna go create it underscore at. This will be a timestamp. Will be current timestamp, and this will be updated at like right here. So this will be timestamp, and it will be current timestamp right here. So yeah, if we click save, all right, so there we go. Let's now insert a couple of these. So let me go right here, the user the show ID, I'm gonna make this comment so it will go to the first show, and the username, I'm gonna keep it my name right there, which is actually the name right here. All right, so, and the image, I'm just gonna grab an image right there. I'm gonna go to my D drive and I'm gonna grab the name of this image. All right, so if I simply rename this, copy. All right, so I'm going to paste, and the comment right here, I'm gonna just grab a symbol fake text. All right, and paste. All right, so the second comment, it will be the show with the ID 2, because we only have 2 shows. All right, one with the ID 1 and the other with the ID 2. So the username, I'm also gonna make it so it will be in my name, and the image, if we simply I'm gonna also grab the same image right here. All right, so this is it. We click go. All right, so there we go right there. So now let's go ahead and try and select those right here. All right, so we actually close this, and if we go to app, if we go to HTTP, we go to controllers, we go to enemy, and there it is, enemy controller. So this is the function that's basically displays the enemy dash details page, which is this page right here. So we have to perform our own query right here. All right, so I'm gonna go comments like this. I'm going to make this so it will be equal comment, and I'm gonna go select. I'm gonna go order by. I'm gonna order the comments by the ID descendingly, so we will see the more recent comment at the top. All right, so right after this, I'm gonna go let's take like let's see, 8 comments or something. All right, so I'm gonna go right here and I'm gonna go where I'm gonna grab the comments by the show ID. All right, so I'm gonna go where the ID, basically where the show underscore ID equals the ID that we're sending in right at the top, because this is the ID for the show. All right, and since we're sending the ID at of the show at the top right here, we can simply use it to grab the only comments for this show right here. All right, so right after this, I'm gonna go get like that. All right, so let's save this. Let's actually pass this in with the view. Let's save and let's go to the view right there. If we go to shows, so there it is. All right, so your comments, yeah, the comments are right there. So all right, so enemy review item, and there we go. There is actually the similar div that we need to go ahead and all right, so there we go. If we delete this, all right, so I'm gonna go right there, gonna go for each. All right, comments as comment, cut this and paste like that. And yeah, if we copy the comment right here, all right, so this is basically the image. So I'm just gonna go to asset, and I'm gonna go to the assets. I'm gonna use the assets right here, the asset right here. I'm gonna go to the assets folder, and I will put my user images in the user underscore images right here. I'm gonna go slash and simply concatenate this, and I'm gonna go and grab the image like that. All right, so we do not have actually this folder just yet, but we are going to create it. All right, so actually copy this right now, and let's go ahead to my C drive. Let's go to example, and let's go to htdocs. Let's go to enemy right there. Let's go to public. Let's go to assets. Let's actually create this. All right, so there we go. There is actually the folder right there, and I'm gonna go ahead back. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go. All right, so let's go back right away, very quick, and I'm gonna paste the image right there. All right, so there is actually the image. So yeah, there we go. Let's actually remove this part, and I want to go right over here. So there is basically the name, comment, and I'm gonna go user underscore name like that. All right, so this is basically the date. So for now, I'm just gonna copy the date itself. I'm gonna copy and paste this first, and I'm gonna go create it at. All right, so this right here is basically the comment. So if I go paste this like that, and I'm gonna go comment like this, and I guess that this is actually everything. So let's save this now, and let's see what we got. All right, so yeah, I had this coming. So we need to grab the comment right here, the comment model. Right, so let's actually cut and paste like that. Let's save. Let's now refresh. So as you can see, it's telling me that the comment class is not found. So now it's actually going to find it. So there we go right there. There is the username, the created ad, and there's simply the comment right here. And we, only one comment will be grabbed for this, because as you can see, this comment right here has the show ID of 2, and this has the show ID of 1. So if we actually try to access this, we will see another comment, which is right over here. All right, so every one of those just has a comment. All right, so yeah, in the next one, we should actually go ahead and insert new comments right here. So this will be all, and I will see you in the next video.